Hello, Pandaros followers, and we are today at Code Ninjas with Michael. And Michael, would you tell us more about yourself and Code Ninjas?
I've actually been an educator for about 6 years. So I'm one of the center directors here at the center. It's basically overseeing the day-to-day operations here at the center and just making sure kids have fun. Parents are seeing results.
Can you tell us more about what you do at Code Ninjas?
So at Code Ninjas, we teach kids how to code. So we use a game building curriculum where the kids kind of level up their coding skills. Every lesson is basically a game that they build, and through that they learn kind of the coding fundamentals. And because we believe that's a really important skill that kids should have.
So does that mean a kid can get a black belt in code?
Yeah, but they've got to start from the white belt first and just work their way up.
That's great. What's your favorite thing about the work that you do here?
It's not really work. It doesn't really feel like work because I really enjoy technology and coding and sciences and all that stuff. And I really enjoy seeing the kids kind of light up when they get a concept or when they get their game to work. So that's every day for me.
And finally, what is probably the most fun situation you've ended up in here since you opened up?
We did have a kid come in here once. I don't know why. For some reason, all of a sudden he stood up and he just picked up the table and just dropped it, like with the laptop on the table. So it was during one of our I think Roblox camps. We're teaching kids how to make games on Roblox, and he just decided to stand up and take the table, pick it up, and drop it.
At least he didn't flip the table. Well, thank you for letting us come here and interview you. And if any of you out there have any children who are interested in learning about code and having fun at the same time, and I don't know if they welcome adults in the classes.
Eventually, one day. Yeah, our curriculum is mostly focused on kids right now, but they do plan on launching something that's for the older kids, and then eventually probably adults.
So if you're an adult who's a kid at heart and wants to learn code sometime, then call up Code Ninjas. It's here at the Westland Market Mall upstairs. Yeah, look them up and start learning things. It could not be a more relevant time to learn code.